first part is the introduction part. My name is Muhammad Mehdi Ansari, and I'm in 6th standard, and I'm in India. I cannot tell further more information about me. So, bye guys. This is a motherboard A320M motherboard for Ryzen processor. This is a Ryzen 3 processor. I'm going to use it. This is a Data DDR4 4GB RAM, and these are my hard drive. This is a Chiptronics case, and it has 300 volt power supply.
This is an MSI A320M motherboard, so let's check it out. This is the I/O shield. These are the two SATA cables. Yeah. And the motherboard itself. This is the AMD Ryzen 3 processor. So let's check it out. This is a CPU fan. We will open it later. So let's keep it aside. And this is a processor itself, CPU, whatever you call, and we got a free sticker with it. Yeah. And now I've installed the CPU, processor, whatever it is. And this is a CPU fan, so time to on it like this. Now I've installed the CPU fan and the DDR4 4GB RAM. Yeah. I'm unscrewing the screws of the Chiptronics case. Just slide it like that. Yep. Now we are in the Chiptronics case. We get some screws with it. Yeah. This is the 300 watt power supply with the power strip cables. Yeah, of course. And the AC adapter. Yep. So let's start. This is the I/O shield now. I'm gonna pop in it. Yeah. Oh boy, man.
2,000 years later.
Now time to align the motherboard. Align it properly, because it actually took me 2 minutes to do it, because I'm building my first computer PC build. So now my brother is installing the stand-ups like this. Yep. Yeah. Now it's time to screw in the stand-ups like this. My brother is helping. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Right? Like this. Done. Installing the hard drive. So you need to align the screws, which will be tightened. Let's go. Whew. It was a hard time to put it. Putting the SATA cable. Push it in. Like that. And yep, tighten. Aligning this, blah blah blah. So doing the wire management, it was the toughest part. Phew. I called my brother to do it. It was very hard. Yeah. Over there. Put it. Yeah, now we're done with the power supply wires. And we're going to go finish with it. Yeah, like that. Come on. Come on. Done. Do it and 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 almost finished. Done.
What's up guys, we have completed the computer and I have not show you many things, and we need to install the graphics card GeForce GTX 1060, and this, you can see it. We need to install the graphics card because the AMD Ryzen 3 does not have integrated graphics card, so we need to install it, and when it works just fine when we install it. So